Welcome back to Home's Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of feeling like you are putting on a show for the entire neighborhood every time you step into your backyard? We all love spending time in our outdoor spaces, but a complete lack of privacy can instantly ruin the vibe. The good news is that you don't need to drop thousands of dollars on a commercial contractor or expensive masonry to get the secluded, cozy oasis you deserve. In today's video, we are breaking down the absolute best, most stylish and highly inexpensive privacy fence ideas that will completely transform your backyard without draining your bank account. Let's dive in. An inexpensive privacy fence refers to a budget-conscious, creative barrier designed to shield your outdoor living area from outside view using cost-effective materials like bamboo, pallets, reclaimed wood, or dense strategic greenery. Choosing a budget-friendly privacy fence is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your property. It allows you to establish clear boundaries, enhance your home's security, and create an intimate atmosphere for relaxing or entertaining, all while keeping your hard-earned money in your pocket. By opting for affordable materials and a bit of DIY creativity, you aren't sacrificing style. Instead, you get the freedom to customize a unique look that perfectly complements your home's exterior aesthetic without the financial stress of traditional fencing. Your outdoor space should serve as your own private sanctuary where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the real world. Installing a privacy fence not only gives you a private oasis, but it will keep out pests, help keep your kids safe, and enhance your home's curb appeal. They can be as fancy as a custom stone wall or as budget-friendly as a DIY project that can be done in an afternoon. From backyard landscaping ideas to using cost-effective materials, check out these cheap privacy fence ideas that won't break the bank. One, natural reed fencing. A backyard with a bamboo fence. Natural reed fencing is a great alternative for a bamboo fence. If you want your fence to enhance your backyard's design instead of blending it, border it with a variety of evergreen trees and shrubs. For a low-maintenance border, choose hardy plants like monkey grass. 2. Wood privacy walls. An outdoor patio with black fencing. When you think of fencing, you may think of a traditional wood fence or even a white picket fence, but you may love darker, moodier colors for your outdoor space. If you have a privacy wall or fence, paint it in black and decorate with neutral furnishings for a polished, more refined look. 3. Painted food fencing. A backyard with a painted fence and tropical seating area. Painting is a budget-friendly, easy way to show your personality. The fun painted pattern of this fence adds a bright, sunny look to this backyard, while the mirror makes the backyard look and feel larger. 4. Ivy-covered trellis. A patio with a wooden pergola topped with reed mats. If you have a small backyard with neighbors in close proximity, a fence is a must. If a traditional wooden fence isn't in your budget, install a chain-link fence or a trellis and plant fast-growing climbing vines like ivy. 5. Rustic wood fence. Colorful red wreath hanging in on wooden fence of a backyard. The garland wreath is made of dried flowers. Sometimes all you need is a simple addition to make a big design impact. This wooden fence get a dose of color with a simple hoop wreath adorned in colorful dried flowers. 6. Stone wall. An outdoor dining room with potted plants and a stone wall. A chain-link fence on its own isn't a good privacy fence option, but add plants and you have a completely different look and function. This outdoor dining area feels like its own private restaurant with the vertical garden fence on one side and a stone wall on the other. 7. Row of shrubs. A small backyard sitting area. Everything about this backyard feels intimate and private, from the comfortable seating to the variety of lighting. The outdoor room is surrounded by lush trees and shrubs for added privacy. 8. Weathered wood fence. an outdoor sitting area with artwork on the fence. Thrift stores are a great place to find unique artwork on a budget. For a simple way to update your fence, hang one-of-a-kind artwork and string lights. Adding simple touches like these elevates your backyard while making it easy to swap out the design with the seasons. 9. Painted bamboo fencing. A bamboo fence painted white. Bamboo is a budget-friendly choice that nonetheless requires maintenance, but it is a durable, eco-friendly fence material that will last for years to come. You can paint or treat it to match your personal aesthetic, like this white cottage-style fencing. 10. Painted wood fence mural. A mural painted on a fence. Why go with just one solid color when it comes to painting a fence? A fence is a big canvas where you can express yourself and make your home stand out. This fence mural is bold and fun that sets the tone for the rest of the home. 11. Vertical gray wood fencing. An outdoor sitting area with framed artwork on the fence. Choosing a decorating theme for your backyard is the first step to redesigning it. This outdoor seating area features a pink and gray love theme that's evident in the framed photos and romantic furnishings and lighting. 12. Horizontal wood fencing. A backyard with a black privacy fence. With a sleek black privacy wall like this, it only makes sense to decorate the outdoor space with modern furniture and furnishings. The privacy wall is taller by the outdoor seating and shorter by the garden to allow a view of the surrounding trees. 13. Reclaimed wood fence. An outdoor nook for napping. Whether you have a full fence or partial one, it should blend seamlessly with the rest of your outdoor space. The home's interior design style is carried out to this outdoor relaxation nook with its hanging mirror, bedding, and lighting that sets the tone. 14. Tree-lined fence. Trees planted along privacy fence. A wooden fence or even a metal one might be the simple utilitarian division you need. Plant a row of trees in front of it to give it a high-end look. 15. Natural reed mats. A small backyard sitting area with a bamboo fence. If you want the tropical look of bamboo at an even more budget-friendly price point, natural reed fencing is a great alternative. It is almost as durable as bamboo, made from peeled freshwater reeds woven with galvanized steel wire, and is a versatile fencing option that can be treated and painted. Creating a private sanctuary in your backyard doesn't have to be a luxury reserved for massive budgets. As we've seen today, some of the most stunning outdoor transformations come from simple materials, a little resourcefulness, and a free weekend. Whether you choose the natural warmth of a bamboo screen, the rustic charm of upcycled wooden pallets, or the lush beauty of a living green wall, you have the power to define your space and reclaim your peace of mind. With these inexpensive ideas, you can finally step outside, relax, and enjoy your beautifully secluded outdoor living area to the absolute fullest. If you loved these budget-friendly design ideas, please hit that like button right now and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration to elevate your outdoor spaces. Which of these inexpensive privacy fences are you planning to build in your backyard? Let us know in the comments below. We read and reply to every single one. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.